guys, this week we are doing a French onion soup. Since I'm French, I am a little bit qualified to show you how to do it properly. See how nice it is. Hot, 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 hot. Let's make this! Alright, so the ingredients for this recipe are yellow onions, unsalted butter, kosher salt, brandy, olive oil, beef, veal stock, beef stock, fresh thyme, bay leaves, a baguette, and gruyere cheese. Alright, so let's do an onion soup. What do we need for that?
Onions!
Yeah, onions.
And I always got the onions.
Yeah, we cut the onions.
I love cut the onions.
Oh yeah, I don't like this, but okay.
I like it.
It hurts my eyes.
Because you mean safety glasses.
Oh, okay,
Like
safety
me.
glasses. You're right.
Yeah.
Like
You
those?
mean- Yes. Like those.
Oh yeah, that's better, huh?
Yes, that's better like me.
Yes. Okay, cut.
Look, I made.
This looked like a lot of onion, but trust me, those will shrink a lot while cooking. So first, on a medium-low heat, we want to melt, let's say 1 stick of butter. That's a bit high, medium-low. There you go. I want to burn that butter, just melt it. Butter. Once it's melt, you can go at medium heat and put all the onion in. And to this we will add a pinch or 2 of salt. We will cook the onion until they start to caramelize. That should take maybe 15 to 20 minutes. By the time we get there, we'll start on the other pot at medium heat. Put some olive oil and we'll take that piece of beef. Doesn't matter really what the cut you use a cheap cut. So when you get a nice heat, put your steak in, and we want to create a fond. While we are waiting for the onion and the beef, let's cut this baguette here. Wow, what's happening? This is supposed to cut, right? Yeah. I think this baguette is a little bit old. All right, so let's try something different. When you are getting a very nice fond like that, it's time to remove the beef and discard it. So deglaze the fond with red wine, or this is cassis wine. And wait for the alcohol to evaporate. And now this is veal stock and homemade beef stock. We did a lot of video about homemade beef stock. I will put a link if you want to know how to do it at home. Those onions here start to become a bit caramelized with a nice fond. We will deglaze this very soon. And make a bouquet garni with bay leaves and thyme. And this will go into the stock. It's time to deglaze the fond. Here I'm using Brandy for that. So the onions are ready. We will let this at low heat, and this need to simmer for about 20 minutes. While the stock is simmering for 20 minutes, we will prepare the bowl. So we need the baguette and we need some gruyere cheese grated. So into that bowl, put 2 pieces of the baguette. We put some cheese on it before. We will discard the bouquet garni and transfer the beef stock with the onions. Woo. Hot, 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 hot. Mmm, it's beautiful. You don't want to put too much in it, because this goes in the oven after, and if you put too much, it will spill all over. Now let's put an healthy amount of gruyere cheese on top. Put this into a plate before putting it in the oven, otherwise you will do a big mess in your oven. So at broil 400 degrees it goes until it's nice and brown. Et voilà, la soupe à l'oignon française. Hot, 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 hot. Alright guys, we made it, a French onion soup. Let's try this now. Hot, 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 hot. Mmm. Wow. It's very, very delicious. I hope you guys will try this at home. And if you do, remember, this is hot, hot, hot. Wait 5 to 10 minutes before eating it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please leave a like on this video. It makes a huge difference on our channel. See you in the next episode.